Hello, my name is Rosalyn, and this is my experiment. So right here we have the markings for wherever I will drop the marble from. So example, from here, here, or here. And this is my setup, my ramp setup. And then I also placed some tape down to help keep the ramp in place whenever the marbles are falling down. These are my materials, the marbles, some tape, and then my paperwork for some of the calculations as well. And this is the protractor that I use to measure the angle for the ramp. And then also I have the paper taped at the bottom here, and those are some of the markings that I made throughout the experiment wherever the marbles fell, and then I calculated the distance from this piece of tape to wherever the marbles fell, and then I created a table accordingly. Right here, the distance traveled down the ramp and placed in my calculations. And then I found the velocity of each ramp distance individually and averaged out the measured distances from each table. So this is the data from table 1, 2, and 3, and then I averaged it out, dividing it by 4, and that gave me the average measured distance. And then from there, I calculated the percent error for each ramp distance by using my experimental value, but then I also calculated a theoretical value in the pre-lab, and then I utilized the percent error formula to get the percentage error and placed it in the table 4. So before I started the experiment, I completed the pre-lab questions, and then I gathered all my materials, read the instructions accordingly, conducted my setup, and then went on and did the experiment from here, table 1, table 2, table 3, 3 different distances using the marble based off wherever it was placed on the paper. And then from there, I recorded it on the table and then averaged out those calculations and placed it on the sheet of paper that I just showed you and calculated it individually, resulting in the table 4 completed results showing the average velocity, percentage error, theoretical values, and then also the experimental values used. Probably one of the reasons why the experimental value didn't come out exactly as predicted, it could be due to air resistance, possibly not being taken into account, and also user error as well. Maybe sometimes the ramp might have lifted because this tape isn't exactly secure, so it could be due to user error as well. Thank you.